patter, pitter patter.
What's up? What's up, everybody? Check this out. So, we are finally getting started on the Jeep. And, you know, there's really no turning back now, but we are going to be putting that dog box right up here. So we're going to cut a little section off this door, or whatever this is. Here we go. So now, ooh, that kind of got in there crookedly. Alright.
That was so funny.
What?
Watching you.
Stop.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer.
All right, we're on the home stretch. Here we go. That's it. It should pop off. What's up, everybody? So it's the next day and we have the Jeep. So we got the top cut off and removed. This light bar here for my dog Jeep, it provides a lot of light. Link down in the description. I will link it up. Also, these pods I will do. So I don't know if you noticed, but that's a curved, that's right, it's curved light bar. That is, the light bar is curved, but it is curved so that I can see, you know, a good distance. Let me put this water bottle and my keys down. I'm gonna move my mowing equipment and we're gonna take this Jeep for a little cruise. Maybe I'll get some footage of it. We'll go rally it around the track. Kind of track, second hour, I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go get a little bit of footage of this thing cruising around. But stay tuned because we are gonna do a build on this. I need to finish tidying up this. Now, I was gonna chop this, you know, kind of level right here, but there's an issue. We have some bolts right here. So I think is what I'm gonna do is that dog box has a little kind of frame around the bottom side. I think I can make it work. So I might have to notch it out, but I also think I might weld in some supports right here. Maybe just, you know, a little support bracket here over to kind of match this. We'll take off this assembly right here. Maybe I'll try to smooth that out. I don't know. Maybe we'll just keep that. But I'm going to fill this in. Probably just spray foam that. I need to tuck those wires in. I'm going to put that back into this little spot right here. And then I'm going to fix my tail light. Link in the description. If you're missing the tail light, I'll do a video on how to change that tail light there. But yeah, look at that thing. I don't know about you, but this Jeep Liberty kind of has I think it has like a small lift and a little bigger tires than your normal Jeep Liberty. But there you have it. But I got a question. I got a question for Mr. Robby Layton. He may never see this video. I'm gonna tag him in this video. I'm gonna put his name in the title of this video. But if I had that top back, do you think you could put it back on and fix it and make it normal again with all your bodywork shenanigans? Is it possible? Well, I don't know, because we're not going to find out because it's long gone. So sorry. But anyways, that's it. We'll go get some footage of this thing cruising around, so stay tuned. But look at that. Look at all that plastic. That's how wide. That's how much crap is inside that inside plastic stuff. I need to cut that, trim it down a little bit. But anyways, stay tuned. Follow along. Check out some of our other videos. Make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss some more stuff that we do to this dog Jeep. Or anything TW related. Or the CTSV. Yeah, stay tuned.
Dad thinks he's gonna jump this though, so let's see how it goes. Watch out.
There's somebody here.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. Times I wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Does he know?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love